How to set up Instagram shop without Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to search for Facebook Commerce Manager, and after that open it up. Now click on the option of go to Commerce Manager, and this is where it will take you. Now you will have to click on this option of get started, and after that you will have to create a catalog. And after that you will have to create a catalog. There you will have to select the catalog type, select the option of e-commerce, and this way you would be redirected to a place of configuring your settings. Simply configure the settings according to your needs and requirements. Select the business account for which you want to create the shop, the name of your shop, and everything about it. After that, click on the option of create. This way you would be redirected to the Commerce Manager, where on the left hand side panel you will be able to see different options. Simply select the option of catalog and select the option of items. Then you need to add different items to your catalog. You can just manually add all the items, the pictures, the details, description, and everything about your products and details. After adding all these details and items, you will have to submit the Instagram shop for review, and for that you will have to open up your Instagram profile and open up the settings of your Instagram profile. Then go to the section of business. Over there you will be able to find the option of sign up for Instagram shop. Over there you will be able to find the option of sign up for Instagram shopping. Simply select it. Then it might take a little while or some days for the review to get completed. Just have patience, and after that you have to connect your Instagram shop with product catalog that we just created. For that you will have to visit your profile settings of Instagram again, go to the business, and over there you will be able to find the option of plus with catalog. Just simply add the catalog, and after that you would be able to connect the Facebook catalog that we just created with the Instagram. And this is how you would be able to set up your Instagram shop without Shopify. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.